Hello there. Welcome to Skillier. Today we're going to talk about Scrum and how it can help businesses around the world improve their product development processes, increase efficiency, and deliver better quality products to their customers. So now let's see what is Scrum. Scrum is a framework for agile project management that was developed in the early 2000s. It's designed to help teams work together more effectively to deliver high-quality products. Scrum is based on the idea of iterative development, where teams work in short cycles called sprints to deliver working software or products. What are the benefits of Scrum for businesses? Scrum can help businesses in many ways. First, it improves communication and collaboration within the team, which leads to better alignment and understanding of the product requirements. This helps the team deliver a better product that meets the customer's needs. Second, Scrum helps businesses to be more flexible and responsive to change. By working in short cycles, the team can quickly adapt to new requirements or market changes. Third, Scrum increases efficiency by reducing waste and focusing on the most important features or requirements. This helps the team deliver the product faster and with higher quality. Finally, Scrum provides transparency and visibility into the project status, which helps stakeholders to make informed decisions and prioritize work accordingly. Scrum has been adopted by businesses all around the world, from startups to multinational corporations. Its benefits are not limited to any specific industry or geography. In fact, Scrum has become a key enabler of digital transformation, helping businesses to accelerate their innovation and go-to-market strategies. Scrum has also enabled businesses to improve their customer satisfaction and loyalty by delivering products that better meet their needs. So, that's all about Scrum. In conclusion, Scrum is a powerful framework that can help businesses around the world improve their product development processes, increase efficiency, and deliver better quality products to their customers. By adopting Scrum, businesses can gain a competitive advantage and become more responsive to market changes. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And visit Skillier.com for more information.